Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the gas supply tube in your gas range, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Shut off the gas supply as well. Have an assistant help you to move the range away from the wall. Use channel lock pliers and a 9/16" wrench to unthread the nut securing the gas supply tube to the safety valve. Unthread the nut securing the tube to the pressure regulator to fully remove the old tube. Install the new gas supply tube by inserting one end into the pressure regulator and the opposite end into the safety valve. Then thread the nuts to secure. Avoid over-tightening the nuts. Move the appliance back against the wall. Turn the gas supply back on. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and your gas range should be ready for use.